Download the ZDesigner driver version 8 from zebra.com. Find the ZDesigner driver installation executable and double-click on the file. The Install-Aware wizard will appear to verify the file contents and start the installation process. On the Welcome to the Zebra Technologies wizard for ZDesigner Windows Printer driver version 8, click Next. On the Select Destination screen, confirm the file destination and click Next. On the Completing the Zebra Technologies wizard for ZDesigner Windows Printer driver version 8, click Next. On the Important Information screen, click Next. The Updating Your System screen will appear and the driver will install on your computer. On the Completing the Zebra Technologies wizard for ZDesigner Windows Printer driver version 8 screen, deselect View Release Notes and click Finish. Pre-install driver package screen will appear and the drivers will be installed on your computer. On the Pre-installation wizard, click Next. On the Installation Options screens, click Install Printer Driver. On the License Agreement screen, select I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. On the Select Port screen, select USB port. The Detect USB Printer screen will appear. Plug in your printer by USB and turn on the printer. The printer will automatically be detected and its information will appear in the Printer Options screen. Confirm the printer information and click Install. The Installing Device Driver screen will appear. On the Summary screen, click Exit and the driver installation is complete.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on how to use your ZT230 printer.